right, guys, so this is my wife's Caprice PPV. It was a full cop car. We had some fun in this thing, and then she blew up the engine. Bruh. So we swapped this thing with a 6.2 liter, huge camshaft in it, true flow heads, Johnson lifters. We still stock bottom end, so we did a couple test hits in this thing. So we just put a 375 shot on this thing. This is our first time on the track, so we're gonna see how it does. It's got the 75, it's a two-stage shot. 75 comes in at 1500, and 300 comes in at 4000 and progresses out.
You think you can handle this?
You know, I do. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not gonna lie, 'cause it's my first pass on the track, running Nitrous. But you know, when I pull up to the staging lane, in my head, I'm like, you're a bad bitch, you're a bad bitch, you're a bad bitch. So I'm gonna go be a bad bitch.
All right, guys, so the goal for today is to make sure that Bree does as well as possible. This is our first time on Nitrous, and we just don't want to blow it up, because it might blow up. She let out! She let out twice! Oh my God!
I think she had her traction control still on.
Bree might have too. Bree might have too. That may be. She did. Hey, what's up, big dog?
Hey.
How are you?
Both y'all had y'all traction control on.
Oh, I forgot to turn it on.
Both y'all.
And I let out twice. So here's the thing, though, right? So
Turn your bottles off?
yeah.
Alright.
So you know how they say, you know, like you launch and then it gives you that like boost. That shit hits more than once. Okay.
Yeah.
When it comes to that 10 to
Because like
Tuesday.
it fucking hit me hard and I let out because it scared me. And then I went back into it and it fucking hit me again. And I was like, fucking, I'm holding on at this point because I didn't want to let out again.
Language.
I don't even care about winning. I just want to hit 10 for the first time ever.
All right. We're waiting.
All right, here we go, baby. I've gave her instructions. She's got the manual. I just hope she reads it and follows it. Let's go.
Man, who said you know what you're doing?
Huh?
Who said you know what you're doing?
I read the manual. All right, we gotta look at this tune, see what happened to it. Actually went a little bit slower. She didn't let out that time, so we're gonna check the tune, see what's going on, add some more power, baby.
The next day.
Our tune is garbage, dude.
Trash, dude. He obviously he's got this thing running at 18 to 1, and it just cylinders are getting warm, it's heat soaking everything. That's why we had to add so much nitrous. It wasn't for the power, it was to cool the motor down because our tuner had it so lean.
It's just that garbage.
He's trash, man. So we had to improvise. He locked the tune out so we couldn't fix his fuck up. So we just had to keep throwing nitrous at it until it was right.
So what we actually ended up doing, right? We went up in the fuel jet size, right? So we've got like a 400 jet size fuel jet.
We got them 100s. They're 100s.
Yeah.
All right, day 2, how you feeling?
I feel good. My goal is to just not let out. This should be a really good pass as long as I do what I'm supposed to do. So hopefully I can break into the 10s or at least a very, very low 11. That's my goal right now. So we're going into qualifying 2 after this. So I really need to get a good dial-in number. So we'll see. Don't fucking let it.
So basically, one of the nitrous bottles was left off, but I think that might have been what saved her.
That was good. So I did not let out. I didn't do too great on a tree. Definitely slept on a tree. And then when I was going down the track, I got a flashing check engine light and it shifted super hard, so they think it's the converter. So, but I ran an 11.2, better than an 11.7. So here we go.
So what's up?
All right, we're going into round 2. I'm racing the Cadillac. She's pretty quick. She's pretty good. But I'm gonna give it my all. So let's go.
All right.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, she's going to the top. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
Fuck yeah! I think I won. I don't know. I don't know. I need to go to. I hope I didn't just get excited for no reason. Thank you. Round 3, baby.
How'd it go?
It was fun. It was a blast. Best reaction time so far. Still not good. Whatever. Getting there. She got really close, but I got it.
All right, here we go, baby. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. She's got this. All she's got to do is just hit that beam and tree. That's it. She's got this. She's gonna win.
Shut up and floor it.
Yeah, but Bree broke out harder.
What happened?
She broke out. She went on 11.0.
So what do you mean broke out?
So her number on the dash said 11.2, so she couldn't go faster than 11.2, but she had to go 11.2 on the head. You know what I mean? And she went 11.0, so she broke out of her
So she
time.
went too fast.
She lost because of default. She went too fast.
So she's wanting to change to an 11.1. She asked me if she should. I said, no, not really. You know, it has cooled off, but
How you go too fast?
I should have listened to my gut and changed it.
Went too fast.
I went too fast.
Super proud of
Should have changed it. Should have
listen,
fucking changed it.
even if you would have went to an 11.1, you still would have broke out.
you. You went 11.0. What was your reaction time though?
0.27.
Good. Good. It left hard. It was smooth all the way down the track. And you were hauling, and I was just like, dude, she's gonna get it. And then when it said 11.0, and I was like, no.
She wasn't catching you.
But it's Joe's fault.
Yeah, it's all my fault.
It's all good though. Personal best. Ran 11.05 at 125 miles per hour. So
You've ran like 5 personal bests this event.
exactly.
you're
It's a
in good
success
shape.
in my book.
All right, let's go, Heather. Let's go.
Got the finals.
Yeah.
What you got?
I got Heather. Come on, man. I got to rep the home team. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Holy shit. Hell yeah. The home team takes one home. How about that? Let's go, baby. I drank Bud Light.
Pretty sure I just blew it up.
What?
Yeah, so as I was going on the track, it's flashing the check engine light the whole time, screaming at me. And then as I get to the very end of the track, it's just vroom, vroom, vroom. So something's wrong. Or it's just very, very hot. I don't know. So I got to the check engine lights flash at me, screaming at me the whole time. And then I get to the end of the track, as I'm slowing down, vroom, vroom, the whole way back here. That's all right though. I went in 11.05. So I did a personal best. I went from running at my last race 12:20 stock, and now this race 11:05. So I'm happy, personal best, proud of myself.
But we might be saying goodbye to it.
Yep, it's blown up. I'm getting a V.
So long, gay boys!